Your refrigerator may look a little different, but don't worry. Feel free to give these tips a try and learn more about your Frigidaire Genuine Air Filter. Your Frigidaire Genuine Air Filter can be a powerful tool to keep your fridge air fresh and unwanted odors at bay. The PureAir AF-1 replacement refrigerator air filter absorbs odors more effectively than baking soda. As air circulates through the fridge, the filter uses carbon technology to absorb odors and keep the air fresh. To ensure optimal performance and long-lasting freshness, replace your filter every 6 months or as needed. Be sure to look for the Genuine Air Filter seal on the package to know for certain your filter is authentic and sold by Frigidaire. Knockoffs or counterfeits may not be as effective or fit your appliance correctly. Installation is easy. First, locate the installation location. The PureAir AF-1 air filter is located in the top center of the fresh food compartment. Before you install your new air filter, let's remove the old one. Then, remove the plastic wrap from the new filter and snap it into the filter housing. That's it! Now your Frigidaire PureAir AF-1 filter will provide freshness for up to 6 months, capturing odors and keeping undesirable smells away. For more information on Frigidaire Genuine Air Filters, visit the Frigidaire website or call us.